Good morning, traders. How are you? I hope well. I'm fine too. A little bit tired, but I'm very good. Let's wait 1 second. Good morning, traders. How are you? I hope well. I'm fine too. Okay, I'm back. Let's start with the news to see what we have today. Today we have some news at 5 o'clock with a CAD, but we have to wait to see what the numbers will give us. Tomorrow is going to be a very interesting day because we have news on the euro, and you know very well that I am trading a lot euro this pair, so it's going to be very, very nice. Friday again we're going to have the Euro Summit every day, so again the market will move a little bit, but today we have clear sky, so nothing much can happen. Only in the morning the market moved a little bit on the London session, and after that everything was very smooth. Okay, let's see what this currency string metal tell me. That euro has no power for a moment. GBP it's strong, and GPY it's so and so. AUD it's very strong. So let's go on the charts. Here we have Euro GPY on the 1 hour, but I want to start it from the daily. And if we look closely here, we have this rejection on the daily, and here we have many rejection, one here, another here, and another time here. So the price did the same thing now, and we are expecting the price to break this area, where if you look closely, if it's gonna break this zone, which is around 125,700 from here, then the price should fall at 125,140. This is what I think. But for a moment, if you look closer, Euro GPY on the daily, 4 hour, and so on, it's on a range zone, so I cannot say too much about this pair for a moment. On the group chat, I gave like small signals of Euro USD, Euro GPY. Euro GPY was a sell, and the first take profit was at 125,900, which is around here where I draw the line. And it's exactly what I told you before. If it's going to break this area, then definitely the price will continue to go down. I think that you took this trade, also GBP USD, and I said also a buy on USD GPY. So like this you can find out if a pair is on a range zone or not. You're just trying to find the resistance and the support, and then you see what the price is trying to do around that area. So for this one, the price is just playing around this zone, so we are waiting for the price to break this area and to come back down as I was predicted. I don't know what GJ wants from me. Let me make it a little bit bigger. So for Euro GPY I cannot say too much, okay? So wait for the price to break and to continue his falling, because also here all the time you have to look on the left side, and if you look we have a clear way which is around here. So if the price will break this area, then definitely the price must fill this zone, which is clean. When you see a clean zone like this one, when you see the price like this, definitely the price will come and fill it again. Let's see Euro USD. I said again about Euro USD, a sell, and the first take profit it's at 120,400 I said, which is around here, 497 exactly here. So for this one it's a sell, and the same thing, we are waiting for the price to break down. It had a very beautiful fall starting from here, and we are waiting for the price to break this area to continue falling. Okay, so here we have beautiful pips, like almost 50 pips. Yes, but don't think that the price should fall straight. It may come back up again down, break this zone, come back again, and then boom, down. So don't think that the price it's shooting all the time up or down, like it's happening, like it happened for example here, just straight up, 3, 4, 5 candles in blue. So think that the price is moving like this, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so for this one it's a sell, and we are waiting for the price to break this area. About USD GPY, I said that it's a buy, and our first take profit it's at 104,400. You remember we gave another signal 2 days ago, and we are still waiting for that one to be filled. The first take profit was at 380. So here we have the 400, which is around this area, and then the second one, leave me alone GJ, I will check what GJ wants from me. And this is the second take profit, but if you look closer, let's put like a trend line here. You see the price it's playing here, and now here looks like it did like a fake out, and the price will reject from this area, and it's gonna retest again this area, and then the price will continue to go up to break this zone, and then to come back up again. It's like supply and demand. The price came down and now it's trying to go up, it's playing here, and then it must come back up again. So as you can see here, the price is rejecting and it's coming back again around this area. So it's not so difficult to make some small analysis, you know, very quickly on the charts. You just have to be very relaxed, very calm, and to trade what you see. You don't have to stay too much on the charts, because if you stay too much, then you go crazy. You're gonna lose your mind. You're gonna see too many pairs, and you're gonna see too many numbers, and you don't know what to do. Sell, buy. It's in a range. It's gonna come up, down. You don't know. So that's why a lot of traders lose. So you have to be very calm, and for sure market is gonna give you exactly what you want. You can call it pips, you can call it money, you can call it percentage, but the market will give you exactly what you want when you are consistent in what you are doing, and when you are doing exactly, I don't know how to say it, when you are doing not overthinking, not over trading, not overreacting, and so on. Also, you have to control yourself when you are losing a trade. You don't have to overreact. I told you, all the guys from the group, you must have a trading plan. Without a trading plan, you are lost, believe me. Someone is asking me, hi Madi, how are you? Are all fine? Yes, I'm fine, everything is fine, thank you. Now I can say that I'm a little bit relaxed, but also I can say that I'm tired, because yesterday the guys, they finished with cleaning all the house, but still we still have to do some small things, so it takes time. Yes, I'm fine, so thank you for asking. So coming back with trading, you have to be very careful, and you have to be very patient, especially now because it's December, and because you don't have to expect that you have to make money. Maybe I think that the best time now is to study in December and not to rush, because if you're gonna rush, believe me, you're gonna lose. You don't have to trade every day, and you don't have to be on the market every day. Okay, the market is there every day for you, but you don't have to be there every day. It's like Starbucks is there every day, open for you. You are going every day to buy Starbucks, to buy coffee from the Starbucks, even if you love that coffee? No. Sometimes you go, sometimes you don't. So it's like this also with the market. You don't have to trade every day. When you don't lose in a day, that means that you are in profit, because you didn't lose any cents. You understand? Okay, let's go further. I want to see what GJ wants from me, because was giving me messages. You saw it here on the screen. So GJ on the 4 hour, on the daily, let's see weekly chart. On the weekly, there is a possibility for GJ to continue to go up, because if you look also on the monthly, here the price created a support, and also here the price created a resistance. So that means that around this area, which is 135,098. That means that here it's a very strong area. This is on the monthly. And also if you look, the candles close at above, higher and higher and higher. So here the price created a support, and then the next candle went straight up. Let's see if it's gonna break this area or it's gonna come back down again. Let's see on the weekly. On the weekly chart, we have here the issue where I put it the alert. So first it has to break this zone for the price to continue to go up, but in the same time it has this issue here, and if it's gonna continue to go up, first it's gonna fill this week, this one, and then the second one should be this one. So that means in 1 week 2000 pips, I don't think so. So maybe it's gonna make this one and then it's gonna come back, it's gonna play. Really, I don't like how the candles looks. Let's see on the 4 hour. Even on the 4 hour, it's nothing nothing really special. Just it moved in the morning in the London session. I told you that was the big move. It's this candle from here, if you look on the 4 hour, and this is the candle from here, which it still has 21 minutes for the 4 hour candle to close. And as you can see here, this one is smaller than this one, so it's not a big volume. So we have to wait if it's gonna close above this zone to continue to fill this one, which is 14700, or the price is gonna reject from here and it's gonna come back down again around, I don't know, around this area at 500. But don't take it as a signal, it's just we are doing like a small analysis. I told you this month I think you should learn more, and I will try to come here every day and to explain some things and to come with something new for you to understand it and to be easier, how to say, to be easier for you to read the market, to read the candles. So 1 hour, it's nothing. Maybe this one it's gonna reject, come back up here. It has to make a small retest because it has too many red candles. So when a price is falling or going up, all the time must have a retest, it call it. So the price should do a retest somewhere here and then come back down again. Let's see on the 30-minute. Yeah, maybe the price will do a retest here or a retest here. Around this area where we have the wicks. Yes, it could be this one. So after this falling, you see also here it did like a smaller retest, came back and then down again. Now it's coming back up. I think it's gonna do a retest and then down again. So if I told you I give also courses, I can teach you how to trade, and I can teach you my style, but maybe you don't have time, or maybe you don't have money for this. You can search on Google, or I told you can go on the Baby Pips. There you can find the basic things about Forex, and maybe can help you. You have the support, resistance, and supply and demand, and so on. Maybe you know them. And you must find your own strategy then to know how to trade it better. Because maybe, I don't know, one day you want to trade or you're on your own, and you don't need anybody. So you need to learn more about this one. And I told you don't have to stay 8, 9, 10 hours on the chart, because you're gonna lose your mind. You have to come in the morning, depending on the hour and the place where you live. For example, in my country, I wake up in the morning at 8 o'clock, and then I'm waiting the London session. It's very good because I am catching the London session and the New York session. The Asia session I am sleeping, so I cannot trade it, but I understand that it's not so volatile. London session, it's very volatile, but I think the most of you are sleeping at that hour. I know the basics, just need the advanced knowledge and learn your strategy. Okay, I cannot give you, let's say, like my secret or our secret, because we are a team here. That's why I said that I can give courses, and I can teach you one-to-one, and I will give you like homework. You have to present a trading plan. There are a lot of things, but of course I cannot tell you here everything, Let's say that nothing in this world is free. Imagine if I was giving everything for free. Also, I am giving signals for free. So you should be happy for this. I still have some guys that they are studying with me, and they are very, very good, pretty good guys. And they are learning very fast, and I'm happy for that. And I told you, who wants to have a try and to learn more, you can send me an email on the group, and I will answer to you. I will leave the email on the group chat, although I think I gave it 3 or 4 times, but I will leave it again. And if you want to make courses with me, yes, of course, I will answer to you on the email with everything that you have to know. Okay? I don't mind paying for it money. Okay, send me the email, and we will talk about it. Okay? So I stayed here on the chart with the Euro GPY, and I told you that maybe the price is gonna create here a retest, and then the price may continue falling. I don't see any reason for Euro to continue to go up. Or maybe the price is just playing around this area. It's like ranging. And if you look closer, let's do like this. Here we have a range zone. I told you all the time, when you have, for you to be easier to understand, all the time when you have a pair which is in a range zone, you do like this. You draw a box and in that box you know exactly that the price is on the range zone, and you wait for the price to break either up or down. So here it's like created a fake out, then the price retested again this area at 126 500, and then the price came back down in this range zone. So we still have the possibility that the price may continue ranging until we have this news, and maybe until Friday when we have the summit. Maybe around that time the price will move. So maybe today the price will do like this, boom boom boom, ranging, or maybe it's gonna do the retest here, and maybe it's gonna do the same thing like it did here but in the opposite way. So retest here and then come down, retest this area, and coming back down, coming back again in the middle of the box to do the range zone again. So that's why I told you, don't rush, be relaxed and take your time. Okay, I will be right back. 1 minute. Okay, I'm back. So you asked me, can you have a quick look at EJ and GU? EJ, EJ, 50 minutes, 30 minutes. Again, I'm coming back and saying that you said about EJ, no? It's Euro GBP. So at Euro GBP, again, the price should not move too much, but here we are on the 4 hour, and on the 4 hour, if you look closer, here the price created a support, came up, rejected this area and came back down to retest again this area. So remember that all the time the price is coming back up or down to retest a very strong area, a very strong zone, as we have, for example, here. If I'm gonna put this line like this, you will see that this zone is very strong. Why? Because you have multiple rejections, which you have it here, you have it here again, here the price break it, came back down, created support and then back up again, here the price rejected again, here the price breakthrough, created like a small fake out, came back down, retested again, back down again. And look how many times the price tested this zone. So remember that all the time the price, it's coming up or down to retest a very strong area, and here we have this rejection. So for a moment I can say that on the 4 hour we still have 6 minutes for this 4 hour candle to close, and I don't think that the price will break this area first, because we don't have volume right now, and because euro, it's still how you say, a little bit dead, because I show you on the calendar that today it's clear sky, we have only the CAD news, and maybe nothing much will happen today here on CAD, but I don't suggest that to play on news. And tomorrow we have the first day of the summit, and Friday, so most probably tomorrow and after tomorrow the price and the market will move. But now maybe the price is trying to create here a support, and then it's playing around here, you know, until tomorrow and after tomorrow, when the price will decide what is gonna happen. For example, tomorrow maybe the price will shoot up and then back down again, you never know. But I don't think that the price will break this area. This is on the 4 hour, and I wanted to say that when I'm trading, I'm using a lot 4 hour and 1 hour. Gives me a very good confirmation, and also give me a small confirmation on the 30 minute. And the 15 minute, it's a very, very weak confirmation. I really don't use it. So this is what I like, 4 hour and 1 hour. And also, of course, the big ones, the weekly, the daily. But here it's very simple. If you are on the chart and you see that you put it here, a support, and the price is not going to break that support, you're gonna think that the price is gonna break it and come down? I mean, all the time you have to find a logic why the price should come down. You have to predict why the price will go down, why the price will reject from here. And I told you maybe the price is gonna reject from here first, because I told you these multiple rejections, and it's a very strong area, and I'm expecting the price to do the same thing, to reject, but I'm not expecting the price to come back up again to 0.91, but I'm expecting to play around here. To be honest, I will not I will not play Euro GBP, but sometimes it's nice, this pair, because I saw that I'm playing a lot GJ. I like it to, I mean, I want to master it, and when I'm gonna master it, I'm gonna tell you. This is one of my favorite, and Euro GPY. I don't give too many signals on GJ because it's a very strong pair, and it's very difficult to trade it. But I will give you only if I will see something very good on it. But for a moment I'm just testing some things with GJ on the demo. But I told you that it's one of my favorite because it's it's moving very fast. So as I told you now, because we moved on the 1 hour chart, you can see that the price is rejecting from here, and maybe, I don't know, from here maybe the price is gonna come back up to this area, or maybe to this area. We don't know. We just have to let the price to tell us what he wants to do and where he wants to go. Quick. Okay, so I said about Euro GBP, and you said about GU. Well, GU, I said about GU. Let's put it on the daily. On the daily, it's very bullish candle. We have a very, very bullish candle, but I'm expecting the price to reject from here, and I can say a sell on this one. And the first take profit, also I think that I posted on the group chat, and the first take profit should be at 1.31686. 31686, which is around here. Okay, around this area. And this is on the long. Okay, so I'm expecting the price to reject from here. I will do it again with you to understand that here it's a strong zone again, because we have here these rejections. Here we have this one, here the price wanted to come up but it couldn't, so it came back down. Here we have, and here again, so maybe on the back again. You see here, okay. So that's why I think that the price may reject from here, because we tapped a very strong area, and the price may reject from here, play again around this area, and then maybe to have another push up. And if you look at the market, it's not going straight up, you know, boom, up. It's moving up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And maybe from down you will see again an up, but higher up. You understand? There are some, I can say, I don't want you to think that trading is easy. It's not easy at all. But when sometimes I'm saying, you know, it's easy doing this, it's I don't know how to call it in my language. It's automatism. Maybe you can understand it. It's if you do this every day, the same thing, you will see that it's gonna become easier and easier. So it's like training, you know, train every day, and you will see that it's gonna be easier for you. And then the most beautiful part and the hardest thing I tell you is to make analysis without any indicators, nothing, zero, just you and the candles, nothing more. Like this you can test yourself. Okay, I understand, I use them also Fibonacci, I use supply and demand, I use the trend line, I use a lot of things because they are tools and they can give me a good confirmation. But the best thing and the basic, it's to go to take a chart like this, simple, crystal clear, and you take it like this and you just play, find your support, find your resistance, go on the monthly, go on the weekly, go on the daily, and exercise like this. And after you do this, you can let's say test yourself putting a trend line, or helping yourself putting a trend line, or putting a Fibonacci, or a Nichimoku cloud, or I don't know, these other things, indicators that sometimes, and I have to say that sometimes, they can give us a very good confirmation with exactly what we see with the charts like this, very clean. The email, I will, after I finish this live session, I will send it again on the group chat for you to have it again. And who wants can give me an email and I will answer you back today, later on. So I told you about EJ and GU. There is a correlation because it's with the GBP. It's very difficult in the same time to trade now GBP because it's the Brexit, and you don't know when you will have news, and the price may spike up or down. With the Euro GBP, I told you that I wouldn't play it right now because we are with the Euro, and tomorrow we're gonna have the summit and I don't like how the price is moving right now. And with the GU, I told you I can see it like a sale, and for a moment, as you can see, the new 4-hour candle just started, and I told you that it's gonna reject from this area. And now let's see if the price wants to come back up, down, then up, create a wick, and to continue to go back down again. Or maybe it's gonna do a retest here. We don't know, we have to wait. But I can tell you that it's a sale, and also, if I remember well, I put it on the group chat, this GBP sale, but this is a long one, so you have to play it with a smaller lot size. So December, I told you, it's better to learn than to trade. Or if you're gonna trade less and be happy with what you have. And imagine that outside in this world, there are a lot of people that they don't have what you have right now in this moment. And maybe this is gonna help you thinking like this. I don't know, I can say that it helped me, so maybe it's gonna help you too. So I'm saying this because, again, you don't have to trade every day. Yes, you can come every day to the charts, you can come every day on the group chat, you can have a chat, you can send your idea, you can have questions, when I have time I answer, and so on. So if you have any other questions, because I don't think that I will say too much, because I really don't see I really don't see nothing special. So tomorrow I will come earlier. I will not come so late. And this I'm saying this because it's very interesting day, because we have the first day of the summit and it's gonna be very fun. So I hope that we're gonna see the market moving. So I want to come early on the market with the live session, because around this time the market it's not moving too much, it's not so volatile. I think in about 1 hour and a half or two the market is gonna move little bit faster, when the market is gonna close at 6 o'clock my time. Okay, let's see. I wanted to see USD GPY. With the USD GPY on the 30-minute, now it's trying to come back up again, and I can for me to be easier to understand it, that for example when I put a trend line, or it can be a support or resistance, and the price is doing something similar like this one, I mean that the price is coming out from the trend line, creating a support and then coming back up again. That means that the market it gives me a fake out. So it's like I thought that the price it's breaking and it's gonna come back down, but it didn't. So that's why I said that you don't have to be in a rush in a trade and thinking that, oh my god, I have here this big red candle, and this one, it's a very weak confirmation because we have a very small blue candle, and for me it's a very weak confirmation because this one is huge and this one is smaller, and you think that maybe the next one it should come down, and you say, oh, maybe I'm gonna give a sell, but no, you have to wait, because you don't know what the market will give you. So for me this one is a fake out, and now the price is coming back again in this area and retesting this zone again. So I told you that tomorrow I'm gonna come earlier, and because also I moved, we finished with this big move with a new house, I will come earlier on the chart, and we can chat all the time on the group, and I like it because you are asking, you are now like my little family, and I love when you are there and chatting and asking, and I love that sensation. It's very beautiful. So I am waiting on the group chat to maybe you see something, and maybe you want to ask me something, and so on. Now you are very quiet and you don't say anything, and maybe you are too shy to ask me, and maybe I don't know. Okay, so I said that the price will continue to go up here. Let's see gold. I cannot say that I'm trading gold, but I think that the price from here will go up. Sometimes the market, the price, it's like printing the candles, but it's like in the mirror. So if you're gonna look now at the chart, and if you put it like one piece of paper and make it in two, you will see that gold here created the same thing here on the 7th of December with the same thing of 23 of November, so it's a similar thing. Here again, around this area, starting from the 7th of December until now, 9 on December, and here 23 of November with 19 of November, it did almost the same thing, you see, but the mirror thing. Now I'm expecting the price to create here also a support, and if you look closer, it's a very strong area because the price created here a support, again here and again here, and also when the price fell from here, it went straight down and just stopped around this area, and that means that here it's a strong level. And also you can take it in consideration also this one, and I'm expecting the price to reject from here and the first target to be 1875. I mean the price to play like this, you know, up down up down up down, and maybe the price to make again a big move. I don't know if it's gonna do the same thing like this one, but with this move it's almost similar, it's 1-to-1, so maybe the price is gonna do the same thing, you know, it's gonna print the same almost the same candles, or maybe it's gonna print the same candles but lower. I don't know, we should see. Okay. Buy what? I don't understand here. Buy, it has a dip, I don't understand it. Okay, how about USD? USD, where is it? Where is it? USD HF. Okay, my god, I don't see. I need the glasses. Okay, USD Swiss franc. Let's go on the daily. Okay, let's make it smaller and to see what the price, it stopped like this, and we can see, and we go on the weekly. On the weekly it looks like the price still has room to fall. I think at 0.88163, around this area. So this is on the weekly. Yeah, yes, it's possible the price to continue to fall. Let's see on the daily. I hope that you don't have a a trade on the USD Swiss franc. Maybe that's why you are asking me. To be honest, I don't really like what the candles give me. It's very ugly. Very, very ugly. I mean, you have to trade pairs that they really move, and they really how you say, look at the candles, they are so small, very small. I mean, I don't like to trade something like this. I want to trade something like this, or like this, or like this, or like this. We have to find big candles, not small candles. I don't like this one. I mean, it's like it's not giving me pleasure to trade. yeah, most probably the price will continue to fall, because I told you how to identify when you are in an uptrend or a downtrend. For example, this one, it's on a downtrend because your price is falling from the left corner, but it's the up corner. So when the price is like this, definitely the price it's going down. And the opposite, I'm trying to find the opposite. And the opposite, for you to understand it, it's like this. When it's an uptrend, your price should start from here and boom, like this, you know? You see, for me it's easier saying this because, but it's a very simple way to see if you are in an uptrend or in a downtrend, because all the time you have to go with the trend. But sometimes I'm playing counter trend, which is very, very, very difficult. And I don't really recommend it. So about this one, I told you maybe the price it's gonna range a little bit around this area, then the price come back down and up again. I really don't like this pair. I don't see anything interesting for this one. I can see here that on the 1 hour the price created like a support. The price is trying, it's having issue, you see. I don't see too much. I want to make it like this bigger. Let's see if the price will reject from here, because here we have again another issue. Here the price created here like a support, and but the candle came back down. So also here we have this situation where the candles created like a support and then came back up and back down again. So maybe the price will retest again this area and expect the price to come back down again or even further. We don't know. So guys, I really don't see anything. You still have the trades that I put them on the group chat. Keep an eye on them. Let's see, Euro USD, USD GPY. I love this when the price it's creating like a fake out. So if you have any other questions, you can send it on the group chat. And I told you that because I almost I am 89% ready with house. We are still have some little things to do, but I told you that I will come earlier tomorrow and I will put the link. And maybe if I'm gonna see something, I'm gonna give the signal. Look at the USD GPY, it's going up very beautifully on the 1 hour, and it's gonna retest again that area of 104,250. I hope so. And as I was saying that I'm gonna come again tomorrow, but I will be live earlier, and don't worry, I will put here the link. So thank you so much for watching. I think that every day you can learn something from me. I'm very happy that we created like a very small community, like a small family, which I wanted to grow it. This because I want to share what I have learned, and also to share for free signals. And I want to be, let's say, different that the other the other guys or companies that they give signals. And I think that I am different, one, because I am a woman, and second, I feel it in that I am a little bit different, because I don't think that they stay on the live sessions, and I don't think that they have group, um, and that you can talk whatever you want, and you can put questions and so on. That's why I said that I think that we are different. So thank you so much for watching, and I am waiting you on the group chat. I will send my email, and I will answer you back. Take care of you, don't overtrade, okay, because also it's December, you don't want to lose the money. The Santa Claus is coming and you don't want to lose the money, and don't think that you have to make now very fast money because it's Santa Claus and you have to buy gifts. The best gift is to be patient and to wait, because you can build an empire like this, believe me. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and see you on the group chat.